How do they switch on the location? No, I don't know.
We are allowed sound together now.
Yeah, allowed sound. Yeah. I remember the face actually.
And I was one of the guys that were arrested.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I used to these guys. That day was even brutal. Those guys bust. The guy bust my mouth, blood filled my face mask. And yes, they were still putting tear gas, pepper spray directly into our eyes. Direct contact, and all they say is, it's not my fault, we were sent. If they send you this thing, I don't drop your uniform. That's integrity. It's not to be excusing yourself. Take your property. See the barrier. Continue to fill the gate. You're welcome, sir.
And of course, another person is comrade. I do them now.
I didn't have car. I just said let me walk.
You can't fight for them. So they are collecting our phones right now. We are not fighting with them.
You don't need to force it. I will bring it out.
You don't need to fight.
It's me that collect that. No wala now. There's nothing.
Phone has been collected.
I'll give it to you.
Get me out of the phone. That's my phone.
We have submitted it.
That's my phone. That's my phone. That's my phone.
Collect phones now. If I didn't have car, I cannot use my leg and walk at the wrong side. Hey, we have turned this country to a police state.
Taking him away. Yes.
So I am here to solidarize with fellow young people who we have been organizing this protest together. And upon getting here, people have been arrested, and I came down here to observe what is going on until when two men approached me and were asking me who I was, if I was a journalist or. Of course, I told them that I came here as an observer, and they were asking for my ID card. I tried not to give them my ID card, and they bundled me and started to harass me. And I told them that I'm not going to lose my right to protest, even if you jail me. I will still speak, because it is my fundamental human right. It is my human right. I have the right to speak. Move that shit. Which one? That shit where we are. Hey. See her. This is small boy. How old is this?
We've been arrested though. These are we. We are all in Black Maria now. About over 10 of us. We are inside their Black Maria station at the toll gate now.
Christopher.
But I was standing my Lekki phase 1 gate.
Yes, yes.
I only came out to buy food.
You are speaking to
The
FIJ.
man called me.
Yes.
In fact, he came behind me and he held my chest. And I asked him,
just like that.
Excuse me, sir, why would you hold my
Just
chest?
like that.
Standing my Lekki
What's
phase
your
1
name
gate.
again?
My name is Cecilia Abdul Fattah. I'm not even close to this.
Christopher Emmanuel Ogboji.
Christopher Emmanuel, this is FIJ. We'll be on the case.
Christopher Emmanuel Ogboji.
Okay.
OGBOJI for the surname.
Okay.
Apprehended, arrested for no reason.